a grandmother somewhere in Canada. I've heard that they're planning to ban flavors in e-liquid in Newfoundland and Labrador. So I'm here in my kitchen whipping up a batch of e-liquid for my grandkids and great-grandkids down there. It's easier than baking a cake if you know what you're doing. So I've already put some vegetable glycerin in here. I have a weigh scale, and so that's ready. And now I'm going to add propylene glycol. I've already measured it. So we pour the propylene glycol in. There we go. I'm just glad that they're vaping and not smoking. Smoking is what killed their granddad. It's probably going to kill their dads as well. Okay, now a splash of nicotine. Okay. Okay, get in there, nicotine. There we are. Good enough for folk music. And flavoring. I usually buy a variety of fruit and dessert flavors at Baltborn. I try to get the right stuff. Not like the black market. Those people who killed so many kids in the United States a couple of years ago in black market CBD pods. It's hard though because you don't know what's in everything. There we go. But you do the best you can, eh? Okay, there. There we are. I think I'll call it Winterberry Splash. They'll love it. Is this what you want, Newfoundland and Labrador governments? Let vape flavors stay.